In medicine, bacteria are used or fungi are used for production of for the formation of antibodies. Formation of antibodies. You might have heard about antibodies. Antibodies, antibiotic injection, antibiotics. So these antibiotics are the chemical which are derived from fungi or the fungi or bacteria or microorganisms, and these bacteria are used for the making of antibiotics. So there is a chemical which is formed by the, we can say, microorganisms by fermentation process, and that chemical is used to kill other bacteria. For example, there is some bacteria. So from that bacteria, by fermentation process, they derived a chemical, and that chemical is known as antibiotic. And this antibiotic can kill other bacteria, or inhibit the growth of bacteria. So what is antibiotic? एंटीबायोटिक एक केमिकल है. कैसे बनाया जाता है? इसे हम बैक्टीरिया या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से बनाएंगे. सो बैक्टीरिया एंड अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म्स लाइक फंगी कैन बी यूज्ड बिकॉज दे डू फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस. So sometimes we can say certain bacteria during fermentation process produce some chemicals, and that chemicals are known as antibiotics because that chemical kill bacteria or stop the growth of bacteria. So such chemical which stop the growth of bacteria are known as antibiotic, or they kill the bacteria, they are known as antibiotic. But these chemicals are not prepared in laboratory. These are derived. They are prepared in laboratory, but in the industry in a different way. They use microorganisms. They use microorganisms for the production of this chemical. That's why we can use the microorganisms for the formation of antibiotics. And antibiotics can be used in medicine to kill bacteria causing diseases and bacteria. Okay, so this was what? Antibiotics. Antibiotics, you can remember some names like streptomycin, tetra, cycline. Always there is an in word. Then erythromycin, penicillin. Even penicillin is made from a fungi known as Penicillium notatum. How penicillin? So penicillin was formed. Penicillin, Alexander Fleming, they have discovered. Penicillin came from a fungi known as Penicillium notatum, which is actually mold, which is actually fungi. And so this is actually a antibiotics. So you can remember some names. Okay, made up from fungi and bacteria. Now, also bacteria can be used in the formation of vaccines. So recently we are very much known about, example, you might have, or we always have come across this word vaccines. Right now it is very much famous. Corona vaccine, COVID vaccines. And it is not a new word because we were taking vaccines since childhood, since we were born. We had polio vaccines. Okay, so we have BCG vaccine for tuberculosis. So many vaccines we have. What is vaccine? What does vaccine do, and how it is prepared? So first of all, understand. In a human body, whenever any disease causing microorganisms enter, जब भी हमारी बॉडी में कोई डिजीज कॉजिंग बैक्टीरिया एंटर होता है तो हमारी बॉडी बनाती है एंटीबॉडीज. Okay, antibodies is different, antibodies is different. Antibodies, we can say, just understand, they are soldiers of our body. They fight against disease. So these antibodies are produced only when, we can say, when disease causing microbes virus, bacteria, anything can enter in the body. For example, tuberculosis, bacteria enter the body. Body will start preparing soldiers which will fight against that bacteria. But during that fighting, we get ill, we get sick. So scientists have come across we can say, they thought about how we can create antibodies to prevent the disease. For example, vaccines are we can say, what does vaccine contain? Vaccine have killed or weak germs, bacteria and virus. For example, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस जिस बैक्टीरिया से होता है, उसी बैक्टीरिया को किल या तो वीक करके बॉडी में डाल देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, पर्सन इज हेल्दी, ही इज नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, बट हाउ टू प्रिवेंट, हाउ टू मेक एंटीबॉडीज. ओके, पहले से एंटीबॉडीज कैसे बनाना है? सो ट्यूबरक्लोसिस के बैक्टीरिया को वीक या किल करके उसको बॉडी में एंटर करेंगे. सो वैक्सीन के अंदर क्या होता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस जिस बैक्टीरिया से होता है, उसी बैक्टीरिया को उसका वीक वर्जन या तो उसका किल्ड वर्जन करके बॉडी में डाल देंगे एज अ वैक्सीन. नाउ बॉडी विल प्रोड्यूस व्हाट? एंटीबॉडीज एंड विल फाइट अगेंस्ट इट. So our body will have antibodies, okay, ready made. So in case in future when this tuberculosis bacteria will come inside the body will have already the antibodies. नहीं तो क्या होगा? For example, if person is not having antibodies and all of a sudden some bacteria enters, at that time our body produces antibodies, but we get sick, we get fever, okay, different kind of symptoms we have. So to avoid that, we can say disease. So to prevent that, to prevent the, we can say, to prevent the disease, vaccines are prepared. So polio is caused by virus. तो पोलियो का वायरस फॉर एग्जांपल जब अटैक करेगा तब हमारी बॉडी उससे फाइट करेगी, बट वीक फॉर एग्जांपल पर्सन कैन सफर पोलियो. दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी डू, a healthy person who is not having polio, but what they do, they give we can say killed version of polio virus, so and our body start producing antibodies. And sometimes antibodies are not enough, so we have to take again second dose, third dose. Okay, that's why we have to take 3-4 doses to produce more number of antibodies. I hope you understood. So vaccines are having the microbes which are weakened or killed, and they are introduced in the body. So body prepared the we can say antibodies ready made. So if that microorganisms comes in contact with the body in future, we will have antibodies and we will fight against it, and we will have, we can say, very less to no symptoms of that particular disease. We won't know कि कब आगे कब हमने fight कर लिया. Okay, so this was about vaccine. I hope you understood. And Edward Jenner was the first person who discovered, we can say, who prepared vaccines for the smallpox. Okay, so this was for today. I hope you understood, and if you have doubt, you can ask me.